that this terror attack in Pahalgam yesterday afternoon was reported. What is now being believed on part of the NIA, the National Investigation Team, the premium anti-terror investigation team has now reached the attack spot as far as in the Baisaran forest is also concerned, and we are told that search operations that are already underway with joint efforts with regards to the Indian Army that is also carrying out these operations in the densely forested area where mainly civilians and tourists, this is a tourist hotspot that it is also known as, but when it comes to chilling videos are also showing of terrorists, the gunfire, the chaos and the screams that happened less than 24 hours ago in that same area. We're getting to know that the NIA team had been immediately dispatched Yavar for the spot, and we are told that the NIA is also expected to take over the investigation with regards, especially when it comes to the intel. And was there any other information when it comes to such a kind of a terror attack, such at a big level that it would be carried out? Post Pulwama, it seems this has been the biggest terror attack that has been reported, Yavar.
Well, exactly, Amita. Likewise, the Solmarg, the NIA is all set to take over this case, and shortly from now, we have been given the understanding that the team has arrived at Srinagar and headed towards the Pahalgam where this incident has unfolded. They will be assisting by the J&K police on a localized levels. Now, pertinent to mention here is that, as you rightly mentioned, that after the Pulwama attack, this is the biggest attack that we have been witnessing since yesterday. I have been given the understanding that over the past 2 decades, we haven't have such sort of attack being carried out on the tourist. Eventually, over a past 1 decade, when the Amarnath Yatra bus was attacked, and following that, the security was enhanced. Now, this time, though the security agencies, their main focus was to ensure the foolproof security cover for the Amarnath Yatra, but somehow we are witnessing that this incident has unfolded there. The National Investigation Agency will take over this case shortly, because they have to first inspect the ground level, and we have been given to understand that all the bodies have been shifted to the Srinagar's police control room, and there will be a meeting of the Home Minister as well with the LG Manoj Sinha and top security officials before he will fly back to the New Delhi. So see the level and the impact
that were taking place yesterday and today as well when it comes to the Union Home Minister, who had immediately rushed to Srinagar post this terror attack being reported in Pahalgam. Once when it comes to this scenic place very close to the Pahalgam area as far as when it comes to the resorts is there.